Hey Richmond, Chris Barrett here with Capital City Comfort Solutions, serving the capital city of Virginia and surrounding areas for all of your heating, cooling, electrical, and indoor air quality needs. Today we're bringing you the third video in a three-part series about how heat pumps work. In the first video, we briefly described how a heat pump operates. In the second video, we talked about the major components of the heat pump and how they work together to provide heating and cooling for your home. We also talked about advanced technology, such as the Capital City Platinum Series heat pump, that can provide you greater efficiency and greater comfort for your indoor environment. Today, we want to introduce you to the Capital City Platinum Series heat pump and what the benefits are for you. So let's go take a look at it while I explain to you why the Capital City Platinum Series heat pump could be the best choice for you. Here's the outdoor unit for the Capital City Platinum Series heat pump system. As you can see, the size of this unit is much smaller than your conventional heat pump unit, making it more versatile in the placement around the outside of the home. These units operate at whisper quiet levels as low as 57 decibels, making them less intrusive to outdoor activity and never heard within the home. The Platinum Series heat pump offers up to 18 SEER2 efficiency, making it one of the most energy efficient systems available, saving you money on your energy bills. One of the greatest features of the Capital City Platinum Series heat pump is the advanced Heat Plus technology. These systems will operate at 100% capacity down to 4 degrees outside without bringing on expensive backup heat, such as electric heaters that run your energy bill up. At the heart of the system is a compressor with inverter technology that adjusts its output to give you optimal heating and cooling and produce a more comfortable and efficient home. These systems are built to last. With enhanced corrosion protection and self-diagnostic technology, you'll get years of long-lasting performance. With the Capital City Platinum Series heat pump, you can enjoy consistent temperatures, reduced maintenance needs, energy savings from a system that operates efficiently at all times. So Richmond homeowners, if you'd like to see what it'll take to get a Capital City Platinum Series heat pump system that'll provide years of comfort, efficiency, and reliability put into your home, give us a call at Capital City Comfort Solutions, your one-stop shop for total comfort.